All right, welcome back. We are now looking at example 4. Hopefully got a chance to work on that on page 380. Yep. And we were told there that the Movieplex wants to have payments of $20,000 every 6 months, so semi-annually, compounded semi-annually at 8% for 6 years. So if they want to make those payments, what lump sum, what present value do they need now in order to make those lump sums? So we need to find out small I. That's going to be 8% divided by 2 for semi-annually, so that's 4%. So that'll be along the top row. Our little n is 6 times 2. So 6 years times semi-annually 2. 6 times 2 is 12. So little n is 12. So if we go to our table here and we find 12 on the side here and 6%, that should be 8.38384. 8.38384. All right. So once we find our formula, we know that the present value is the payment times the factor we find, 8.38384. So the present value, once we punch that into our calculators, 20,000 times 8.38384 should be 167,000. Come on, marker. $676.80. All right. So that means that they need $167,676.80 now to make $20,000 payments every 6 months for 6 years. So that's 120. Let's see. Let's be 20,000. Clear. 20,000 times the total ends is 12. It should equal, they need $240,000 total, right? To make their $20,000 in renovations and equipment. So if we subtract that out, that's about $73,000 that they'll earn in interest by doing it this way. So that's pretty good. So they save themselves in 6 years, over 6 years, they saved themselves $73,000 by creating this present value annuity. All right, for a future value of $240,000. Okay, and so over 6 years, they save themselves $10,000 by doing it this way. So again, this is a great savings vehicle if you're able to do this. So in business, sometimes you got to think this way: what amount do I have to put away now? That even if I do it in payments. And that's what the annuity is. What annuity do I have to set up now, my present value, so that when I make payments out of it, I end up at 0. Okay? Let's go ahead. I'm going to move on to the annuity due, and we'll see how to do that on a table.